The Recipe Room. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious chocolate ice cream right in your own kitchen. This recipe is super easy and only requires a few ingredients. So let's get started. Ingredients. 1. 2 cups heavy cream. 2. 1 cup whole milk. 3. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 4. 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 5. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. In a large bowl, whisk together the heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract until well combined. Pour the mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once the ice cream has reached a soft serve consistency, transfer it to a freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 4 hours or until firm. Serve the ice cream with your favorite toppings and enjoy. Tips and tricks. 1. If you don't have an ice cream maker, you can still make this recipe by freezing the mixture in a shallow metal pan and stirring it every 30 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. 2. For an even richer flavor, try using dark chocolate cocoa powder instead of regular unsweetened cocoa powder. 3. You can also add mix-ins such as chocolate chips, nuts, or fruit to the ice cream before freezing it for added texture and flavor. 4. And that's it. 5. Now you know how to make delicious chocolate ice cream at home. 6. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. 7. If you did, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. 8. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.